Open Microsoft Excel or open a new Excel document by selecting File, New, then Blank Workbook. In the top menu of Excel, select Data, Get Data, from File, then from PDF. Browse your files and select the PDF with the table in it, then select Import. Choose the table from the list that appears and click Load.